Hey everyone, today I've got something new to show you, and that is that you can now add product videos to your product example image area. So I'll show you where to do that. We're going to go into our selling area, then into our purchase options. And before I show it to you here, I'm going to show you this gallery before I add any videos to it. So if we scroll down here, we have a few different products that are available. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an example video for the frame prints. So in our purchase options, I'm going to go into my products here, into my framed prints, click the little edit icon, and then we have a product video section that I can add a URL for. So I already have a URL available for that one, and so I'm going to go ahead and just paste that in. And once you paste that URL in, it'll show you whether or not the video is supported, and this one is, so I'm going to save it. And now I'll head back into this gallery, hit refresh, scroll down, and now we can see that there's a video here. Clicking on this will reveal the video.
Introducing
you can
the
play the video
all-new modern frame.
Okay, we can also add videos for our add-ons and for single image products, and I'll show you how that works as well. For example, we'll come into this area, go to our cart. Here's a 20 by 24 print, and we can see that there's a canvas print upgrade option available for it. I'm going to add a video to this option. So we'll go into our add-ons and upgrades for this. Here's our canvas print upgrade. I'll click the little edit icon here. Again, there's the product video section. I have a URL all ready to go, so I will paste it in. That pops up, and I'll save it. I'll refresh this page on my gallery, go back into purchase area, and now the canvas print upgrade, if I click the icon here, you can see that there's the video, which I can watch here. And that's all there is to that. If you want to add videos to your product options, again, it's just through selling, product options, and then you can do it through your add-ons, through your other products. And then if you were to create a product, you can create a new one. It would be in the single image products and packages, your multi-image products, and then also within the upsells and add-ons. Hope it's something that you guys enjoy. Let us know if you have any questions.